Hi and welcome back to the channel UiPath with Jeppe. My name is Jeppe and it's time for another video. Today we're looking at a new certification from UiPath. It's called the Automation Solutions Architect Professional Certification, ASAP. And it's brand new. It was just released last week. It's already available on Pearson VUE, but let's have a look at the details. So about a year ago, I heard these rumors that UiPath was working on a certification for the best of the best developers, like an ultra black belt certification. I even had a sneak peek at it, and it wasn't for me, trust me. And I consider myself a halfway decent developer, but that was just way out there. So now they released the Solution Architects certification, and I think it's really interesting. It's really demanding, and if you're not a developer and a very experienced developer, you will have no chance in hell of passing this certification. But let's have a look. So while this is not technically in the developer track of certifications, I'm going to compare it to the Automation Developer Associate certification and also the Automation Developer Professional certification, just so you can get an impression of what we're dealing with here. So the Automation Developer Associate certification is really for the sort of the beginner developer, right? In the prep guide for this certification, it says that you need 3 to 6 months hands-on experience with UiPath, and you need to also have taken some training in, for example, UiPath Academy or on maybe this YouTube channel, who knows. The tech that this certification covers is Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator. And it does cover all the bases of basic development. You need to know a little bit about debugging, exception handling, stuff like that. All of the stuff that is listed in the topics box here. Now, if we move on to the Automation Developer Professional certification, we can see that here they recommend that you have at least 12 months of hands-on experience and you need some kind of formal training at an advanced level. And you need to be technically proficient and possess the knowledge and skills to work independently with automating tasks and processes. Again, it mainly targets Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator, but it will cover some more advanced data manipulation, more debugging stuff, advanced UI automation, flow control, and of course, as the biggest one, the Robotic Enterprise Framework, or the RE framework. That is a big part of the professional exam. If we now then move on to this new Solution Architect Professional exam, this is hardcore. You need at least, they say, 36 months or 3 years plus of hands-on experience. You need to be very proficient. You need to possess the knowledge and skills to work independently, and you need to be able to also lead other developers and advise them when there's stuff they can't figure out. You need to know about custom modules. You need to know about process optimization, re-engineering of processes and stuff like that. You need to know sort of all of the crafts surrounding the development process itself. Also, on the tech side, it covers a lot more stuff than the other two. You need to know about, of course, Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator, but you need to know also about apps, document understanding, communication mining, data service, AI Center, Automation Ops, Test Manager, Process Mining, Task Mining, Action Center, and Automation Hub. Insights, for some reason, is not on this list. I don't remember if it was on the practice test. I took that last night. But yeah, Insights is nowhere to be found in the documentation. So as far as other topics you need to know about, well, you need to know about anything that has to do with UiPath, really. Anything from, discovering processes to assessing them to, developing them, testing them. You need to know about all the frameworks, Attended Framework, Robotic Enterprise Framework, Document Understanding Framework. You need to know about solution accelerators. You need to know about all of it. It's all in the documentation. I'll link to it in the comment below, but this is not an easy test to pass. So the price of this certification is $300 US. So it's quite a pricey certification, but I mean, that's sort of the level for these types of certifications now. The good news is you can get a 50% discount if you use the code that I will flash on the screen now. So it's UiASAP 50OFF. That will give you 50% off the $300, so you can get it for $150 until the end of January. And when you buy that voucher, it will be valid, I think, for 3 months from the day you purchase it. So make sure you check that out. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference to my channel. And also, if you like the channel as a whole, make sure you subscribe to it, hit the notification bell and all of that. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. So anyways, thank you for watching so far. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.